Hello, beautiful Aglow community. I'm up in Estes and just wanted to bring you this short practice so we can all work our nervous systems together, connect even in Zoom land, some vagal toning, some vagal efficiency, just really bringing in some capacity. And so first, just even noticing the beautiful nature. There's snow, if you can tell, in the mountains. The birds are out, so you may hear them chirping in the background. I have the window open, and it's just amazingly beautiful and warm right now. So really just taking this in from nature, from the surroundings, and just come into your conscious breath, conscious breathing, just being aware of your breath. And just start to see if you can bring and shift the energy more into your body or around your body. And remember, everything's an invitation. You can just observe, you can partake. There's no right or wrong. But just breathing into our core, into the belly, the solar plexus, the heart. And exhaling out. And just taking a couple breaths, just landing here together. Conscious. And if that feels good to you, just an open invitation that you can start to rock. And we can bring in a little bilateral movement. Just working both sides of our body, both sides of our brains, connecting, soothing, if that feels good to you. If not, that's okay. You don't need to do that either. Listening to the birds, taking in the sounds, maybe the sights. Maybe you're closing your eyes. There's no right or wrong. And just notice what that feels like as we all come together. Maybe a smile or even a half smile if we don't feel like smiling. Right. Just some tools. Again, they're all just invitations if they feel okay to you. If not, that's all right. You don't need to do those either. Just partake in what feels right and listen to those beautiful birds. The magpies, the crows, the ravens, the mountain birds. Oh, they're just amazing. So beautiful. And then we're going to come together in an exercise. So just find a comfortable seated position for yourself. If you need to pause at any time to do that, just do that. If you're in a work chair or whatever, sit there. And just bring in that breath in again. And we're going to do a bilateral. So again, this is just an invitation. You can always work your way up to this. You can observe, you can try it. Whatever feels right to you in your body today and at any time. So always honor yourself. And we're going to do something that also draws in the yoga, the polyvagal, the therapy, the nervous system, some EMDR resourcing, right? From all these different lineages and many more also, right? And I'm going to use the word from Sanskrit, the words that come from many yoga lineages for the masculine and the feminine. So our intention with this is to synchronize the brain hemispheres, to communicate with the brain that also communicates the head brain to the heart brain, to the gut brain, and back up to the vagal nerve to build efficiency, just to our body, to our energy centers. This also will work the third eye, as well as the meridians and other energy centers as well as they synchronize. And at any time you want to put your hand on your heart, bring that heart synchronization, can't even talk, synchronizing, right? And then just, yeah, there you go. Just a little bit of rocking. And then what we're going to do is you're going to bring your attention to the right side of your brain, Shiva or Shiva, right? Shiva. And you can say that out loud. And that's the masculine, the divine, healthy, masculine energy. And then we're going to go to the left, Shakti. Shakti, the feminine, divine, healthy feminine energy. And so you can close your eyes, you can keep your eyes open. You can say this internally out loud. You could decide to say other if that doesn't work for you in your system. You could say masculine, feminine, healthy, whatever words, or don't use the words and just use the movement back from right side to left side, and you just bring your attention to the right side, whatever your body wants to do that, or your eyes, or whatever that is. It just, there's no right or wrong. And then to the left side, and we're going to do it together. And if any piece of it doesn't feel right for you, adapt it. Please adapt it. Please adapt it. So, okay, and I'm going to close my eyes because I really like that, but you do not need to. And then I'm going to bring my attention to the right side, Shiva. And then to the left, Shakti. Shiva, Shakti. Shiva, Shakti. Shiva, Shakti. And I'm going to place my hand on my heart. You could put your hand in like open mudra or down if you want more grounding, more openness, more heart, or anything else that feels good to you. So to the right side, Shiva. Left, Shakti. Right, Shiva. Left, Shakti. Right, Shiva. Left, Shakti. Shiva, Shakti. If you want to move your eyes, or if you'd rather move your body, or if you don't want to do either, you still get the benefit, or if you want to do something else. Shiva, Shakti. Shiva, Shakti. Shiva, Shakti. Shiva, Shakti. You can slow down. That feels better, Shiva. You can even take a breath in between. Shakti. Shiva. Shakti. And again, just find what works for you at your pace. And I'm going to quiet down for a moment here. Just moving or just bringing your attention in any way. If you need a pause at any time, please take that. Use your breath. We'll just do this for a little while together. And just come to the center really gently. We don't need to do that too long. And you may not even, that might have been too much, and that's totally fine. No, that's natural. You can build your capacity for that, even doing a little bit, or like I said, don't do aspects of it, do others, whatever feels good to you. And then you may even, I'm rubbing my legs just to kind of anchor myself, a little soft touch. Maybe a little bit on the face and just a little softening around the ears to our heart. And maybe just a moment of contemplation to just see what you noticed. There's no right or wrong. Just see if it was okay to be aware of whatever it is. Maybe note internally, or if you want to stop this and journal, contemplate, meditate, write, draw, anything, move in different ways, take a breath, whatever. Okay? Just together. So beautiful. So beautiful. Until next time.